Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance found in the human body, particularly in the skin, connective tissues, and eyes. It is a glycosaminoglycan, which is a type of molecule that helps provide structure and hydration to tissues. Hyaluronic acid has gained significant popularity in the skincare industry due to its remarkable ability to retain moisture. One of the key benefits of hyaluronic acid is its exceptional water-binding capacity. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it a highly effective humectant. When applied topically or injected into the skin, it attracts and retains moisture, helping to hydrate and plump the skin. This hydration boost can help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dryness, resulting in a smoother and more youthful complexion. Hyaluronic acid is also known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help calm and moisturize the skin, making it suitable for various skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. It aids in restoring the skin's natural barrier function, improving its resilience against environmental stressors. In addition to its hydrating properties, hyaluronic acid has been used in cosmetic procedures such as dermal fillers. When injected into specific areas, it can temporarily add volume and plumpness, reducing the appearance of deeper wrinkles and enhancing facial contours. It is important to note that hyaluronic acid naturally degrades over time, so regular use or treatments may be required to maintain its benefits. However, it is generally well tolerated and considered safe for topical and injectable use, with minimal risk of side effects. Overall, hyaluronic acid is a highly versatile and sought-after ingredient in skincare due to its hydrating, plumping, and soothing properties. It continues to be a key component in many skincare products, helping individuals achieve healthier, more youthful-looking skin.